Hello, in this video I'm going to show the top tricks on Google Pixel 10. Okay, before we begin, we can open up this menu, and in here we will be able to see all of the best features that we have on our Pixel. Now, let's scroll down a little and maybe let's begin with photo and video edit. In here we can add the auto frame, we can use the best stick mode, we have the magic eraser, audio, magic eraser, and the portrait light in photos. Maybe let's begin with the magic eraser. That's one of the things that I want to show you. Of course, I highly recommend to discover these features for yourself. I'll show you a few, and in my opinion, the most interesting things that we have on this device. So magic eraser will cause this, that for example we can, when we have something on our photo that we don't want to be there, we can simply erase it. So once we have our photo, we need to open up the Google Photos. Let's select the photo that we want to change. For example, let me find quickly a photo. Let's say that one. Okay, and now let's click on the edit button. And in here below we have the actions. And in here we have the magic eraser. Let's select that. Okay, now we need to tap, circle or brush to erase. Let's say we want to delete this flower which is in the middle, so we can select it in that way, for example. Okay, and now we can click on erase. Alright, and let's just take a look. It magically disappeared. If you want to save the changes, click on right in here. And now we can save this photo as a copy. Just like that. And now it has been changed. In here you can see. Alright, next thing that we have is the audio magic eraser, for example. So when there's video with distracting sounds in the background, for example the traffic or wind or anything like that, we will be able to also erase it. So let me maybe show you how it's done. Click on open up, open Google Photos. We need to select a video, for example that one. Click on the edit, wait a little, and in here we have the audio eraser. Simply click on that. We need to install it also, so let's wait until it's downloaded. Okay, click on OK. Now it's identifying the sounds. And now we should be able to erase. We can click on auto. And now we should be able to save the copy. Just like that. In here we can also reduce the noise next to it. But it's always best to click on the auto and click on save copy. Of course, it won't work in every video, but you just need to try for your own. Back into here, photos and videos. Okay, that was the things that I wanted to show you. Also, I highly recommend finding out the auto frame, but in my case it doesn't want to work properly. I don't know why. Next thing are the creative tools. They are really helpful. For example, we can create a music in Recorder. So we can add background music with AI for our recordings. Let's click on that. Let's open the Recorder. Click on Get Started. Click on Allow. Click on Continue. Okay, now I will create a new recording. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now let's stop it. Let's save it. Okay, and now when we hold on our recording, when we click now on those 3 dots. Wait a second. My bad, we need to launch it up first. Now the 3 dots, and now we should be able to... wait, that's the video clip. I just need to give me a second because this pixel has a lot of stuff pretty well hidden. And sometimes it's so annoying to find out where to do something. It shows that there should be a thing that will help us to create a music, but in my case, of course, it doesn't want to appear. I don't know why, but from this you can create a video clip if you want. We can click on create. Let's try how it works. Maybe I have the wrong recording, but that would be pretty weird. But due to Google, due to a pixel, it should work. In my case, I don't know why it doesn't want to, but in your case, it should be fine. Next cool thing are the wallpapers that I'm about to show you, and an option to create them, to make them dynamic. Let's hold on the empty space. Let's click on the wallpaper and style. Now let's click on more wallpapers. Let's choose our own photo, for example. Let's say, for example, okay, maybe that. Now let's click on the effects. And now select the cinematic. Now select add 3D motion in this photo. Then save it up there. Click on next. Click on apply. And now, for example, as we unlock the screen, we have like 3D wallpaper that it's yeah, simply 3D wallpaper. Well, actually, maybe a live wallpaper. I don't know exactly how to call it, but now simply the wallpaper is like 3D. Pretty cool thing. And of course, same thing with the lock screen. You can try it on your own, of course, to select the best method for you and best mode. Okay, also a cool thing is a circle to search. To enable it, we need to hold on this bar. Okay, and now we can select the part of the screen. So let's say I'll select that part. Okay, as you can see, a frame appeared and we can change its position. And it's currently detecting for the similar things in the internet. And it gives you information about it, what currently is selected on the screen. You can see that everything is currently changing. You can also select the text from the selected part. You can copy it or automatically translate into the language that you want. So that's how the Google Lens work. Now let's go into the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. Cool thing is that we can give the AI the tasks, and it can do things for us. We don't need to simply do it manually. So for example, let's say we want to set an alarm, and we don't need to do this manually. We can simply give the AI a task to do it for us. So we can tell him to set an alarm. I'll show you how to do it. To launch the Gemini, simply hold the power button until it appears on the down side of the screen. Set an alarm at 7 p.m. tomorrow and name it Do the Groceries.
Set an alarm for 7 p.m. tomorrow, September 5th, 2025, with the label Groceries.
Alright, due to AI, the alarm clock has been set. Just to make sure, let's open up the alarm, and you can see that the alarm has been successfully set. It's enabled, a proper hour, and the name Groceries. So he did the things that I asked him. Now maybe in next thing, maybe in here I will find something cool. I have shown the Gemini. Also we have the game dashboard, which can help to optimize our game. If you are a player, you can click on that, and to enable it, in here you have a preview how to do it. Simply slide, and you will see a floating icon that you can select to launch the game dashboard. Okay, I'm wondering if there's something more that I want to show you. We can also create a custom themes. But maybe that's not the thing that I wanted. Yeah, because I have shown you that live effect that you can use to create a wallpaper like that. Alright, actually, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.